Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm pixieraimua and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get this festival inspired look. Yeah, it's just really colourful and fun. I thought that I wouldn't use glitter because sometimes if you're in the middle of a field you might not want to be trying to get glitter everywhere. So I've used some of these face jewels from Primark, a brand called Glitter Junkie. I have used the Gypsy Shrine ones before, which I know are the popular ones, so I just thought I'd try these ones out. I really hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy this look. If you are going to any festivals, do let me know which ones you're going to down below. I hope you have a really good time. You don't even have to wear this look to a festival. You could wear it anywhere, club nights, I don't know. Whatever you want, makeup has no rules. So you could wear it without the face jewels as well. Don't feel that you can't wear bright and colourful makeup just because you're not going to a festival. Don't forget that you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I'll just leave the handle down here. It's just pixieraimua everywhere. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you would like to see how to get this festival look, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so as you can see I am starting with my base already on. I will link down below everything that I've got on my face. Also, I'm really sorry if you can hear a fan. It's just so hot today. I think it's like, what is it, 28 degrees? It's even hotter with the window closed, and I've got my obviously two softbox lights, so I do have a small little fan next to me, so I'm so sorry if you can hear that. So obviously I'm going to be basing my look around these Primark Glitter Junkie face jewels. So there's all purples and silvers in here, so I wanted to do something along those lines. As you can see, I've got like a purple tone highlight that is from the Sophie Does Nails palette. It's the purple one, which I think is great for a festival. So I'm going to get in with my Jaclyn Hale palette. So yeah, I think I'm going to do something around these two colours. I always feel like with a festival you can be a bit more OTT. So to begin, from the Jaclyn Hale palette, I'm going to go in with this bone colour. I'm just going to pop that one all over the lid. Just give our eyeshadows a nice even base to work on. So for my transition shade, I'm going to go in with this plummy kind of, well not plummy, like a taupey kind of colour. Okay, like so as you can see, that has just added a little bit of definition, and I did just go over it with a clean fluffy brush and just blended all over. Now while I'm thinking about it, I need to give a big shout out to probably my youngest viewer. So he's my friend's little boy and apparently he watches my videos, so I just want to say hi Tom if you're watching. And I believe Tom is 2. Well, so I'm assuming he's my youngest viewer. And then I'm going to go in with the red colour from the Jaclyn Hale palette. I also need to apologise for my janky ass nails. And again, that's just going to go through the crease on a nice fluffy brush. Just to give it some depth and definition without darkening the look too much. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the purple from the palette. I'm going to take this on a pencil brush and start working it into the crease up here and then onto the corner of the eye, because we are going to do a half cut crease. So as you can see, I've just swooped that around, and I know it's not blended yet, but I'm just trying to get all the pigment on first. So what I'm doing is I'm sort of stamping it on the corner and then running it through the crease. And I know there's a bit of fallout, but we will get rid of that. then just taking a small amount of that red colour, and I'm just going to run it over the top of the purple just to start blending these edges.
Okay, so now with some concealer I'm going to start carving out the crease. So I'm going to take a flat brush and just any concealer that works for you. I'm just going to use my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to pop some of it on my hand just so I've got something to work with. I'm just going to start stamping that onto my lid. And then what I'm going to do is look up, and just where, I don't know if you can see on camera, that little line is, that's where my crease is. I'm just going to take my finger and sort of tap the edge just to sort of diffuse that line a little. Before I do the other eye, I'm just going to take a bone coloured shadow, this is a shimmery one, and just pop that onto the concealer just to sort of set it in place. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, from the Soft as Nails palette, the purpley toned highlighter, I'm going to pop that where I've cut my crease, and I'm just going to dampen the brush, and again just use the flat brush. Again, I'm just going to start stamping it on. As you can see, and then once I've done that, I'm just going to take my fluffy brush with the purple, the dark purple, and just sort of blend these edges out. Okay, like so. Now I know I have got a bit of fallout just right under the eye, but that's okay because we're going to start covering that in a second. So now this might be quite intense for some people, but I am going to start going in with this green colour just along the lower lash line. And again, I'm just going to run that under the lower lash line on a pencil brush. And then with the shimmery green, I'm going to pop that into this bit, and I'm also going to sort of run it over it and start to blend it all in together. I just want some more depth here. I pull the funniest faces when I'm doing my under eyes. Okay, so I've just realised subconsciously this is like the Little Mermaid colours, and if you know me personally then you'll know that Ariel is my favourite mermaid, and I've been watching a lot of Disney movies recently because I really want to go to Disneyland Paris or Orlando. So yeah, maybe this is a subconscious thing. As you can see, I've popped the shimmery green underneath. Now you could leave it here and just throw on some lashes and off you go, but me being me, and if you've been around here a long time, you'll know that I'm gonna do a winged eyeliner. Do let me know down in the comments below if you want to see some looks without liner, because I know that obviously it's hard for some people, so I don't want to just be doing looks that you guys can't recreate. So yeah, just let me know down below if that is something that you're interested in. So I'm actually going to do quite a heavy liner on this look just because with it being a festival look, again I feel like you can go a bit more over the top. The tight line and do the waterline as well, just with my trusty Miss Sporty kohl eyeliner, but obviously you use whatever's best for you. Okay, before actually I do my winged liner, I'm just going to curl my lashes. Oh, and also these were £1 from Primark, so I really recommend them. £1 or £1.50, something like that, but they're rose gold and they do the job. Oh, and another tip, don't ever do your eyelash curling whilst you have mascara on, because it can cause your eyelashes to stick to this thing and then get ripped out, which you don't want. 1, it's painful, and 2, it's dangerous, and 3, you know, your lashes might not grow back, which then is counterproductive. So yeah, just make sure that you're doing your eyelashes curling before mascara. The only reason I do it before eyeliner is so I don't have to wait for the eyeliner to dry. Just saving time. Just saving time. Okay, and then as usual, I'm going to be using my NYX Epic Ink Liner. Now I really need a new one of these. You'll probably see that the tip, it's my own fault. I don't know what I did. The bristles have gone all poofy because I didn't put the lid back on properly. But I do want to try the new Revolution eyeliner. That looks really good in the light rose gold packaging. So if you've used it, let me know down below and I will grab some. Okay, like so as you can see, I've done the underneath. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go off camera to just do my lashes and mascara, and I will be right back because it takes me forever. Oh my god, you guys, I've just done my lips and realised I wasn't recording. Oh no. So yeah, what I used was this Colourpop liquid lipstick. I can't remember what colour it is as it's all wiped off, but I will pop it down below. I will be able to figure it out. I just can't think what it is off the top of my head. And then I used the Nikki Tutorials and Ofra Collaboration Nude Potion in the centre, and then topped it with Olivia Hale Gloss from Home Bargains, which is 99p, and I absolutely love this one. These are the eyes done. I'm using the Primark Face Jewels by Glitter Junkie. I've used the Gypsy Shrine ones before. I'm going to show you the ones that I got from Gypsy Shrine. These are about 10, 12, 15 pounds, something like that. I got them for my hen do in Zante and I absolutely love them. They're really, really good. They stayed on all night and it was hot out there, obviously. So I do really recommend them, but obviously if you wanted a cheaper alternative, then these are £2. Okay, so these come with a piece of card with the eyes on, and then they're just on some clear cellophane. So yeah, you just peel them off and pop them on. Yeah, they just come off like this. And I'm just going to start placing those under the eyes. Okay, and these actually feel like really on there. They're a bit sticky on the top though. I have lost some gems on here. So what I found with the last one, because I have an extremely small forehead, it did come down onto my nose, but I think these are designed to do that, whereas the Gypsy Shrine ones it was a lot bigger, so I did have to move it, but it still looked really nice. It's obviously designed for people with normal size foreheads, not the stupidly small one like mine. So this may just come down just about fit. Oh, look at that, perfect. I imagine on normal people that have a normal sized forehead, this might not come down your nose quite as far as mine. Okay, so I just did some really, really quick space buns. They're not even, but I thought they'd just complete this look. I made them look really cute. This is the finished look. So in this short amount of time that I've actually had these gems on my face, they are starting to lift. So I think what I would suggest, either sticking them down with Prozade or eyelash glue, or just hold them down, obviously as long as you're not allergic to any of those things, because they do keep just popping, and I can imagine at a festival that might become quite annoying. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I haven't sat down and filmed a makeup tutorial in a long time. I've done a lot of challenges and vlogs. I am trying to work on posting twice a week. It's not happening yet, but I'm really, really trying. So hopefully I'm going to start getting more content out. I'm going to try and vlog some more. Just have not had really many opportunities to vlog, and there's just
I'm a bit busy at the moment, so I can't really reveal too much at the moment. I don't want to be one of those people, but at the moment there's just something happening. It's exciting. So yeah, I will fill you guys in at some point. It's exciting what's going on at the moment, but I just can't say yet because I don't want to jinx anything. If you do like this video, don't forget to smash that huge thumbs up and just hit the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!